Hi, and welcome to my channel, Yours Mentor. Using idioms makes your English sound natural and native-like. Here are 15 advanced idioms to level up your speech. 1. Beat around the bush. To avoid saying something directly. Example, stop beating around the bush and tell me what happened. 2. Bite the bullet. To face a difficult situation bravely. Example, I decided to bite the bullet and finish the project. 3. Break the ice. To start a conversation in a social situation. Example, he told a joke to break the ice. 4. Hit the nail on the head. To describe something accurately. Example, you hit the nail on the head with that comment. 5. Kill two birds with one stone. To accomplish two things at once. Example, by walking to work, I kill two birds with one stone, exercise and commute. 6. Let the cat out of the bag. To reveal a secret. Example, she let the cat out of the bag about the surprise party. 7. Once in a blue moon. Something that happens very rarely. Example, I go to the cinema once in a blue moon. 8. Piece of cake. Something very easy. Example, that test was a piece of cake. 9. Sit on the fence. To avoid making a decision. Example, he's sitting on the fence about joining the team. 10. Spill the beans. To reveal secret information. Example, he spilled the beans about the new project. 11. Take it with a grain of salt. Don't take it too seriously. Example, take his advice with a grain of salt. 12. The ball is in your court. It's your decision or responsibility. Example, I've done my part, the ball is in your court. 13. Under the weather. Feeling sick. Example, I'm feeling a bit under the weather today. 14. Up in the air. Uncertain or undecided. Example, our travel plans are still up in the air. 15. Your guess is as good as mine. I don't know either. Example, why the meeting was cancelled? Your guess is as good as mine. Conclusion. Use these idioms in your daily conversations to sound more fluent and natural like a native speaker. That's the end of the video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.